Gum.
Thank you for my gum.
Okay, open these presents.
First I want to open this one.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see what it is. Okay.
Hey, do you need help?
No. She's cute. Yeah. What's the other one? Uno Moo. Again.
Shh, Mike. Zoe. Let me see, Riley. That's so awesome.
Uno Moo again.
Look at Aunt Bridget. Hold it up and say thank you, Aunt Bridget.
Thank you, Aunt Bridget.
Yay.
So cool. You got Uno again.
Okay.
So cool. You got Uno.
So open up that present.
One second. Let's see what this is. Oh, yeah. Let's see. I can sit by her if I want. Me too. It's a pack or something. I think it's clothes. It's clothes. New clothes. These are looking at the floor.
It's okay.
Look, I'm ready to open it. I'll hold you gum. I love this. Well, Riley said we can share. A new bathing suit, new flip-flops.
Riley, let me see.
What's this bathing suit? Riley, look at this one.
Lily, move the bathing suit. Zoe, move the bathing suit. Riley, let me see. Yay.
Mommy, I know what this has. Palm trees, flamingos, anchors.
All right, everyone look at the camera and say hi, Aunt Bridget.
Hi, Aunt Bridget.
Everyone look at the camera, Riley. Everyone blow kisses.
Aunt Bridget.
Blow kisses. Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter.